how we think and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, right from childhood to adolescence through adulthood. Over the course of your life, if you experience mental health problem, your thinking, your mood, your behavior could be affected. Many factors contribute to mental health problems. Biological factors such as genes or brain chemistry, life experiences such as trauma or abuse or insults by people, family history or mental health problem. Mental health problems are common, but help is available. People with mental health problems can get better and may recover completely if you take the early warning signs. What are the early warning signs? Eating or sleeping too much or too little, pulling away from people and usual activities, having low or no energy, feeling numb or little nothing matters, having unexplained aches and pains, feeling helpless or hopeless, smoking, drinking, using drugs more than usual, feeling unusually confused, forgetting and even getting angry, upset, worried or scared, yelling or fighting with family and friends, experiencing severe mood swings that cause problems in relation, having persistent thoughts and memories you can't get out of your head, hearing voices or believing things that are not true, thinking of harming yourself or others, inability to perform daily tasks like taking care of your kids or getting to work or school. Positive mental health also allow people to realize their full potential, cope with stress or any problem in life, work productively, make meaningful contribution to their family and their communities. Ways to maintain positive mental health includes getting professional help if you need it, connecting with others, always stay positive, being physically active, helping others, getting enough sleep, developing coping skills, doing yoga, meditation, jogging, listening to song, dancing, watching laughter challenge. And if you want, you can have very good friend circle who are very positive. Thus, mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his own abilities, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and is able to make a contribution to his life and to the life of the community. So if you want mental health and well-being, then keep in touch with people, stay connected, work out a regular routine, engage in different activities, exercise, dance or stay active, plan to overcome problems, manage anxiety and worry, practice regular relaxation exercises. What's the difference between mental illness and well-being? Mental health, you know the meaning now. Mental illness is typically characterized as disordered thinking, emotion and behavior. So you know what is the meaning of mental health. Mental health is when you are able to do things very well, properly and as a normal person. But if you are mentally ill, it is just the opposite. You are not able to do things, your emotions are disturbed, your behavior is disturbed, your well-being is disturbed. Your emotional well-being can be viewed as representing the positive aspect of mental health, such as feeling or functioning in each of the aspects of one life. What causes these mental disorders which make you mentally ill? I told you your genes, your family history, your life experience. If you're insulted by your teacher, insulted by your parents, if you're insulted by your friends, if you're insulted by your partner, a traumatic brain injury, a mother's exposure to viruses or toxic chemicals when she's pregnant. So there are various reasons when you can have this mental disorder. Yes, so you may feel very sad, you may feel very low, you may feel very confused, you may have fear, you may have anxiety, you may have worry, you may feel very low and your moods will become chidchida, you get very tired, your level of energy is very low, you have even problem of sleeping. Then what are the causes of mental illness? Illness and health are two. Illness means बीमारी. बीमारी से आपको बचाना है. You have to be away from mental illness. अगर आपको mental illness हो गया, then you have to take medication. So you have to be away from mental illness So please keep yourself mentally happy. It is important to keep yourself mentally happy, or you will get mentally ill. If you get mentally ill, then you may have to go to the doctor and you may have to take some aid. Yes, so keeping yourself mentally happy is extremely important. So if you are mentally ill, what will happen? You may have to take medications like anti-depressant medicine like Zolofort. These are drugs. Then anti-anxiety medicine, mood stabilizing medicine, antipsychotic medication. So why take medicine? Keep yourself happy. Everybody has tension. Everybody has problems in life. Try to control it. Don't make yourself fall mentally ill and then go into the hands of doctors. With this, Dr. Carolline David from Mumbai greets one and all and prays that this webinar series which we have started, Shri Kumar Swami Mahavidyalaya Osa Latur, helps one and all to be mentally fit, mentally healthy, mentally fine, and have a good well-being. I pray to God that my entire webinar family is always taken care and you are all mentally healthy and mentally happy. Thanks to Dr. Bedkar and Dr. Anil Vadkar for initiating the thought of starting this non-stop series during the lockdown. ये lockdown में जो हम लोग ने ये काम चालू किया, I think it has kept everybody mentally busy. And Dr. Anita Dole ma'am, Garat sir, they've all supported us. And that's why my webinar family looks so healthy, wealthy. Prashant Ugade is always smiling. Kamal Khatra is always waiting to ask questions. Gulshan is always there on the webinar, always smiling and cheerful. This is because of our webinar series. It is keeping us mentally happy. Today we had respected Dr. Sushma Bosale, Principal of Agri College, Saswad, as a resource person to enlighten us on mental health and mental well-being. Yes, ma'am, you did speak very well. You cited many examples and you were fantastic. Even your PPT was very good. And I'm sure all your teachings will help us and we all are going to control all the problems we have, emotional, social, financial. No matter what happens, we are going to keep ourselves mentally healthy and well-being is happy. We are going to keep ourselves fit and fine. Maintaining health and well-being is very important. So do spend time with your friends. Don't say मुझे friends की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yes, you have to spend some time with your friends, your loved ones and the people you trust. Talk about your problems to people. Tell them अंदर ही अंदर मत घुटो. Then it could lead to cancer, tumor, anything. Reduce alcohol consumption. Avoid drug use. Be active. You can do housework, you can go for a walk, you can do yoga, meditation, eat well, sleep well, develop new skills and challenge your capabilities. Relax, fulfill all your hobbies. आपको जो hobby चाहिए उसको अधूरा मत रखो. Set realistic goals. Take care of yourself. How to look after your mental health? Talk about your feelings. I said it's very, very important. Eat well, keep active, ask for help, take a break, do something good, because wellness is more than being free from illness. It is a dynamic process of change and growth. Wellness is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. That is wellness. What is wellness? More. Wellness means physical fitness, holistic care, happiness, relaxation, emotional balance, stress reduction, improving the quality of your life, improving your spiritual life. We do all these things that will keep you well. वेलनेस मतलब जो आपको खुश रख सकते वो चीज आप करो ताकि आप हर एरिया से खुश हो. फिजिकली भी आप मिरर में देखोगे बोलोगे वाओ यू लुक गुड. डोंट बॉडी शेम योरसेल्फ. जो है आपके पास उसको tap yourself and say yes Caroline you are great, go ahead. Don't wait for others to praise you. Emotionally bring a strong person. People might try to put you down, make you emotionally weak, but don't get emotionally weak. Intellectually you have to read, you have to grow. Socially you have to mix. Spiritually you have to talk to God. Talk to God. Tell him your problem. Make God your best friend. Environmentally, keep your environment clean. Grow plants. Keep it greenery around you. Occupation, work well. See that you do your job well. Wellness is especially important. As we age, it becomes very, very important. At that time, regular exercise and proper nutrition will help us to be well. It will keep us away from diseases, obesity, and risk of even falling ill. Take the required vitamins which you have to take. Eat the right kind of food. आज का खाना पूरा नहीं है. आज के खाने के साथ हमें विटामिन्स को भी सप्लीमेंट देने की जरूरत है. पहले का खाना क्या था? During my father's and mother's age, that food was so good. No preservative, no insecticide, pesticide. They were so strong and healthy. आज कितना भी खाओ, hand is paining, leg is paining. Mama, my hand is paining. Mama, my leg is paining. So we have to supplement it with vitamins. There is no option for us. What is the difference between health and wellness? We have to understand the difference between health and wellness. Health is a state of mind and wellness is a state of keeping yourself happy, the lifestyle that you want to have, the way you want to live, you want to mix with others. So that is a difference. And if you have good health, then only you can be happy. If you have good health, then you can dance. If you have good health, then you can go out. So health is the most important, and mental health is more important even than anything, because I told you the mind controls the body. So if your mental health is good, everything will go well. So please take care of your mental health. How do you practice mental wellness? Value yourself, treat yourself with kindness, respect, and avoid self-criticism. मेरा नाक टेढ़ा है, मेरा बाल बराबर नहीं है, मेरा कलर बराबर नहीं है, मेरा हाथ बराबर नहीं है. We tend to point mistakes. और दूसरे को पूछते, क्या मैं अच्छी दिखती हूँ? अरे, look in the mirror, ask yourself and pat yourself. Yes, I look good. So value yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your physique. Improve your mental health. Surround yourself with good people. Prashant, don't go to sleep. Give yourself time. Learn how to deal with stress. Quiet your mind. Listen to some soft music and meditate. Your mind will get relaxed. Set goals and make good friends. Mix and do things which will keep you happy, because your mental health and mental well-being both are very, very important if you want to live happily and you want to lead a good life. Yes, I think Prashant is feeling sleepy, so he's telling me, ma'am, bas ho gaya. So with this, no, now I'm disturbed. Anyway, so with this, I thank you.
Listening carefully.
Okay.
Listening carefully.
Oh, you're listening carefully. Okay. So, I would like to say that if you want to be mentally happy and if you want to have a good mental well-being, be positive, be optimistic, have a positive attitude, take good care of your health, pray to God, be spiritual, किसी का बुरा मत सोचो, बुरा मत करो. That is the most important thing. Fake news मत spread करो और किसी को डराओ मत. खुद भी डरोगे, दूसरे को भी डराओगे. Feel good all the time. Yes, don't blame others. Take your own responsibility. Be positive. Don't be negative. Don't have any inferiority complex. So all these things will keep your mental health proper. It will keep you well. It will keep your mental well-being good also, and your life will be smooth. Tension सबको है. कुछ ना कुछ टेंशन गॉड ने सबको दिया. जो बोलते हैं कि उनको टेंशन नहीं है, वो झूठ बोलते हैं, वो hypocrites है. God has given some sort of tension, but we have to learn to live with that tension, cope with that tension, and there are certain things which we have to surrender to God. It is not in our hands at all. We cannot do anything. We try our level best, then we have to leave the rest to God. So your mental health is in your hands. My life, my responsibility. Health is wealth. With this, I thank all of you for your patient listening, and I thank Dr. Bosley for a wonderful presentation, and thank you one and all.
Thank you, respected Dr. Caroline David, madam.
बहुत था बोलने के लिए, प्रशांत ने ऐसे किया तो मैं भूल गई.
Thank you, Dr. Caroline David, madam. You are a very great personality and multi-dimensional hard worker personality. You delivered very nice and informative speech.